Have you seen these rivers of sky that flow between trees in a woodland? My kids' book has this brilliant illustration, and the phenomenon is called crown shyness. There's loads of weird theories behind it. Google tells me that photoreceptors in the leaves sense reflected light, and this makes the branches grow in a different direction as they approach another tree. As you might imagine, this is quite likely. The real answer is surprisingly hardcore, but pretty obvious, so pause here if you want to work it out for yourself. Imagine you're a tree growing right next to a giant circular saw. Every time the wind catches your branches, you smash into that blade. After a while, your branches will appear to sort of shy away from the blade. An oak tree weighs nearly as much as a bus. It smashes into neighbouring trees in every storm. A recent paper found that this was easily enough to break off leaf buds, slicing off the growing tips. There's this easy and logical explanation. So why are there so many other theories? Well, it's because this obvious answer, it isn't really satisfying. When you look up at these rivers in the canopy, they look intentional. They're like an emergent structure, like an anthill or a human being. You know, physics and biology and chemistry sort of bump into each other in just the right way, and we spend our whole life seeing beauty with intention behind it. Artworks, architecture, products even. So it can be difficult to accept when something this beautiful happens without a guiding hand. But you see, that's the thing. Emergence is this process of creating order out of chaos. And for me, that's the real beauty of crown shyness.